Hello, this is Don with Two Saws Tips channel, and today I'm going to do a real short and sweet video on how to change your engine air filter. It's the easiest thing in the world. This is a 2024 Toyota Camry, but it's pretty much going to be similar with pretty much any modern vehicle. Here's the air filter, and right here, you don't even need any tools. The only tools I'm using, I just have a cloth and gloves to keep my hands clean. You just take these two clips off. They just pop right off, and then you just basically just work it out, and there is the old filter, and as you can see, it's got quite a bit of crap clogged in it. And normally you don't have to do this, but normally I just kind of like to wipe the sealing surface where the seal is going to be, and that's pretty much it. And then even though it should just seal fine, I just like to wipe it real quick. And then you just basically just take your brand new filter, put it in, and you just have to kind of make sure that it's in there and all the way in, just like that. And then what you're going to do is you have to make sure these two tabs are going to go in. So you kind of just have to angle it in with these tabs, and let's go ahead and take some light. In fact, right here, now you can see where these two tabs go into the holes, into the slots. And then you can see the filter's still in position, so we're still good. We're all 100% good. And then you just close it and just snap the two clips. One and two. And that's it. That's how you change your engine air filter. Please like and subscribe.